Good afternoon. The date is 10/26/2014. The time, 3:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What do I have before us? One of the very strongest indexes out here is the Nasdaq Composite. And we have been extremely overbought on this daily chart. One of the things that I'm going to tell you is the very big thing about, what is the biggest thing about this index? And we will go over that with you. I would like to point out to everybody, go to the trading, go to the free trial tab, click on the free trial tab, okay guys, and click get started today. That's all you got to do. When you get down here to open an account, that's another thing. It's simple. Read the content, watch the videos, open the account right here, and get started today. One of the things that we're going to do is give you trading capital to trade with in our programs. So let's say you have $5,000, depending on who you are, could be $50,000 to $100,000 in buying power intraday that we will put into the trading account here, and you will have the market maker management. You'll have the risk management team behind you on every day, every move from open to close, or whatever time that you can attend. We have many programs for those that want to be on a managed account program. That's where the management team does the trades for you. These are all the live events. We've been in the earnings season. Some of them have been okay, and some of them have been none. Watch the Netflix one right here. That dropped $120 intraday. I called that big reversal right there. The truth is right here. The truth is before the fact, not after the fact. Everybody loves to talk about stocks after they make a move. It doesn't make you any money. No, it doesn't. What I can say, though, is when Netflix fell really about $125, at that time it was down $115 or 25%. Nasdaq 100, S&P, all the indexes, some of the stocks, all you have to do is go in here, put in your symbol, and hit go. Now, let it be known that we have called the top reversal overbought. It's been one of the best bull rallies that the Nasdaq Composite have seen in many years. March of 2013, March of 2013 is where they really picked up some steam. When you go back to year 2000, which I'm going to show, you'll understand that the Nasdaq Composite with the big flyers in there that we called for the reversal right here. We got simply short-term, extremely oversold. Listen, that's how bull markets should be. They should get oversold. They should get overbought. And that white line is a 50-day simple moving average. The yellow line right there, that's a moving average on this composite, which is at 44.36. That's the white line. That's the yellow line. And the red line is a 20-day simple moving average. That one, my friends, is at 43.73, of course. Then you have that 10-day simple moving average that is going upward instead of down like here. This is a great place to be short. Now, here's the thing. On that 10-day simple moving average is still at 43.18. Our closing price was 44.83. So, I'm also going to do the following. One thing that is very common is that this was the rally, the Nasdaq Composite, and over for multiple years, and we got up here. I'm telling people, listen, we're in the earnings season. That's number one. Number two, we're going to go up and down in volatility. The volatility is here to stay, and I'm going to show you what the volatility was here on the weekly level. That was 379 points in the Nasdaq Composite, up or down, it doesn't matter. The previous was only 148, and that was on 9/1. When we started hitting in the month of first day of August, that monthly volatility was 258 points. And then, of course, it's gone worse and worse. That aqua blue line right here, that's a 10-month moving average. I'm going to let it be known. That's at 43.30. We came down. They had given up most of their games. This is on a monthly chart. And I'm still telling people on the monthly chart, we're still overbought. We are still overbought. That means that volatility in Nasdaq Composite is here to stay. When I show you right here on a weekly chart of this Nasdaq Composite, I would like you to understand one thing. I can tell you right now that this white line is a 50-week simple moving averages. That's what it is. And that is at 42.65. He undercut it right here, and we popped. This has been the strongest index. Is this Nasdaq Composite. You can see that weekly, the blue line, the 20-week right here. We're going to tell you, though, that when I draw a trend line down here where you can see it better on the Nasdaq Composite, and remember, we are right into the earnings season. So what I do want to say to all of my traders around the world now is the following. If I take this area right here, this is where the lows were on a weekly level. The minute that we got up above here on this weekly bar, look at here. There was no looking back. There was no looking back when that breakout started. There was no looking back at all. So the Nasdaq Composite has all your big stocks in it. Stocks that we trade every single day. Every day. All day. So basically, you can clearly see right now that we are above this support level right here on a closing level. And we made the highs up here. This is where we told everybody it was going to really come down hard. Harder than hard. And if you don't think so, you can go right here on stockmarketfunding.com. We do all the live analysis before the markets open up. We let you know why they're going to go down. We let you know why they're going to go sideways. We let you know why they're going to pop. We are going to let you know that we're in the earnings season. And why does something like Netflix drop $125 and we've made lots of money on that? All of these high beta stocks have created an extreme volatility move. So basically, I'm going to draw a line right here also on the weekly, which comes to right here. And we're back up above it. So here's the neck. Here's the neck. It's right there. Right here. And it's a weekly moving average. And we're still in earnings season. That means that the price volatility will continue on a daily, weekly, and monthly level. All of the time frames will have trading ranges, and guess what? It's a great buying opportunity for the bulls in the short term. Traditionally, October can be a very bloody month, and it certainly have lived up to it. We're going in the last trading day, or the last trading week rather, starting tomorrow morning on Monday. And I've concluded all of the major indexes. We are in the earnings season. There's great volatility. You can make a lot of money. And just let you know one thing again. We will fund your trading accounts. We will have our market makers giving out live orders in our live trading rooms. We'll have the risk managers putting out their orders once you get in. So you're going to have several different key role of managers working behind your order entry and exit using our trading capital. I know you want to be involved in the next bull run, so get ahead, get in now.